The future of work. Will AI replace humans or augment our abilities? Picture this. You walk into your office tomorrow, and half your colleagues have been replaced by sleek robots wearing name tags that say, "Hi, I'm ChatGPT-7. Nice to meet you." Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, maybe not as much as we'd like to think. The conversation around AI replacing human workers has been heating up faster than a MacBook Pro running cryptocurrency mining software. But here's the thing. While everyone's busy arguing whether AI will steal our jobs or make us coffee, the real question isn't black and white. It's more like asking whether smartphones replaced human communication or just changed how we do it. Spoiler alert, we're communicating more than ever, just differently. The great AI job scare, separating fact from fiction. Let's be honest, some jobs are definitely going the way of the telephone operator and the DVD rental clerk. But before you start panic updating your LinkedIn profile, let's look at what's actually happening. AI excels at repetitive, rule-based tasks that follow predictable patterns. Think data entry, basic customer service queries, or sorting through thousands of resumes to find candidates who spelled experience correctly. However, AI still struggles with tasks that require emotional intelligence, creative problem-solving, or the ability to handle unexpected situations. Ever tried explaining to Siri why you're crying while listening to a happy song? Exactly. Where AI actually shines, the augmentation game. Instead of replacing humans entirely, AI is becoming our superpowered sidekick. Think Batman and Robin, but Robin can process millions of data points in seconds and never ask for a bathroom break. Here's where the magic happens. How AI augments human capabilities. AI handles the mundane tasks while humans focus on strategy and creativity. Machine learning algorithms identify patterns humans might miss in complex datasets. Natural language processing helps us communicate across language barriers instantly. Predictive analytics gives us superhuman foresight, well, educated guesses at least. Automated testing and debugging catches errors faster than any human could. Let me show you what this looks like in practice. In software development, AI tools like GitHub Copilot are already changing how we write code. They're not replacing programmers, but they're making us incredibly more productive. AI in action, code generation and developer productivity. Node.js Express API endpoint for secure user registration with AI assistance. The code imports required modules like Express for routing, BCRYPT for password hashing, JWT for token generation, and user model. The router.post function handles registration by extracting email, password, and name from the request body, validates all required fields are present, checks if user already exists in database using user-defined one, hashes the password with BCRYPT using 12 salt rounds for security, creates a new user object with the provided data, and sets created at timestamp and is active status, saves the user to database, generates a JWT token with user ID and email that expires in 7 days using the JWT_secret, environment variable, and finally returns a JSON response with success message, user data, excluding sensitive information, and the authentication token. The entire operation is wrapped in try-catch for proper error handling. What used to take developers hours to write and debug can now be generated in minutes with AI assistance. But here's the kicker. You still need a human developer to understand the requirements, review the code, test it properly, and integrate it into the larger system architecture. Quote, AI doesn't replace human judgment. It amplifies human capability. The developer who knows how to work with AI will outperform the one who doesn't. But the AI alone can't architect a complex system or handle edge cases that weren't in its training data. Sarah Chun, Senior Software Architect. The human AI power couple. what this means for different industries. Let's break down how this partnership looks across various fields. Healthcare. AI can scan thousands of medical images in minutes, but doctors provide the context, empathy, and complex decision-making that patients need. It's like having a medical superpowered microscope that never gets tired. Creative industries. AI can generate initial designs, write first drafts, or compose background music, but humans bring emotional depth, cultural understanding, and that indefinable spark of genuine creativity. Finance. Algorithms can analyze market patterns 24/7, but financial advisors provide personalized guidance, understand life circumstances, and help clients navigate major financial decisions with wisdom that goes beyond numbers. The skills that will keep you irreplaceable. So, what should you focus on to stay ahead in this AI-augmented world? Here are the skills that machines still can't master. Essential human skills in the AI era. Emotional intelligence and empathy. AI can't truly understand human feelings. Creative problem solving, especially for novel situations AI hasn't encountered. Complex reasoning and ethical decision-making in gray area situations. Leadership and team management. Humans respond better to human leaders. Cross-domain thinking, connecting ideas from completely different fields. Preparing for the AI-enhanced workplace. The future workplace won't be humans versus AI. It'll be humans with AI versus humans without AI. Here's how to position yourself. Python AI Analyst class demonstrating human-AI collaboration in data analysis. The class initializes with an OpenAI client using the provided API_key and sets model to none. The analyze and dataset method takes data and target_column parameters. First calls generate_insights to get AI-generated data insights using GPT-4, prints these insights for human review and guidance, then prepares the data by separating features, X, from target, Y, using Panda's drop method, splits data into training and testing sets with train_test_split, using 8-0-0 split and random_state 42 for reproducibility, creates a random forest classifier with 100 estimators and max_score depth of 10 for optimal. Performance, trains the model using fit method on training data, calculates accuracy score on test data, and returns a dictionary containing the trained model, accuracy score, insights, and recommendations from generate_recommendations method. The generate_insights method creates a summary of the dataset using describe method, constructs a prompt asking GPT-4 to analyze the summary, and provide 3-5 key insights, focusing on patterns and business implications, sends this to OpenAI's chat completion API using GPT-4 model, and returns the split response content. The generate_recommendations method uses human judgment to provide suggestions based on accuracy thresholds. Above 90% suggests deployment, above 70% suggests feature engineering improvements, and below 70% suggests reviewing data quality and feature selection. Finally, usage example shows instantiating AI Analyst with API key and calling analyzer for dataset with data and target column to demonstrate the workflow. This code shows the sweet spot of human-AI collaboration. The AI handles the computational heavy lifting and pattern recognition, while humans provide strategic direction, context interpretation, and final decision-making. The reality check. It's not all smooth sailing. Let's be real. This transition isn't going to be painless. Some jobs will disappear, new ones will emerge, and many existing roles will transform dramatically. The key is staying adaptable and continuously learning. Remember when everyone thought the internet would eliminate the need for physical stores? Instead, we got omni-channel retail strategies and entirely new job categories like digital marketing specialists and e-commerce managers. The same pattern is likely to play out with AI. Yes, some traditional roles will become obsolete, but new opportunities will emerge that we can't even imagine yet. Who would have predicted that prompt engineering would become a legitimate job title? The future of work isn't about humans being replaced by AI. It's about humans and AI becoming an unstoppable team. The question isn't whether you should fear AI, but rather, how quickly can you learn to dance with it? Because those who master this partnership will have a significant advantage over those who don't. So, the next time someone asks whether AI will replace humans in the workplace, smile and tell them, no, but humans working with AI will definitely replace humans working without it. And then maybe offer to teach them how to write a good prompt. Trust me, it's going to be a valuable skill. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to stay tuned for more.